21. What was your objective? To maintain the dignity of life, liberty and dignity. For that reason, how do you want to make yourself run? Your name is Constitution or India. Procedure established by law. Take. We are very much clear. Our country goes with the procedure established by the law, not like the US law, due process of the law. But India also go with the due process of the law. India also go with the due process of the law. 4 cases I am going to mention. First, A.K. Gopalan versus State of Madras, 1960. Sorry, 1950. Just after the independence. Recently, it was in the newspaper also. The due process of the law, this thing has been got discussed through these cases. First was A.K. Gopalan versus State of Madras, 1950. The Supreme Court at that time said no need.
He said that it won't follow due process.
Regarding the incorporation of the due process, that Indian Constitution should incorporate this due process of the law. A.K. Gopalan case, Supreme Court said no. 3 cases you are going to get. Rustam Cooper versus Union of India, 1970. Maneka Gandhi versus Union of India. Third one, Puttuswamy versus Union of India. Maneka Gandhi 1978 and Puttuswamy 2019. Total 4 cases. A.K. Gopalan case, Supreme Court is saying there is no need. Clear? Now, from Rustam Cooper versus Union of India, then Maneka Gandhi versus Union of India 1978, then Puttuswamy versus Union of India 2019. Here the Supreme Court has went with the due process. Single liner Rustam Cooper, there the Supreme Court has came out with that reversal of A.K. Gopalan. So the first breakthrough in the Rustam Cooper versus Union of India, first breakthrough, not directed anything, but overruled. That means neutral ground has been got created. And thereafter 2019, Puttuswamy, crystal view about the due process. So all these 3 was based, if you want to summarize it down, arbitrary law against the arbitrary law, the rate of restricting personal life and liberty. Personal life and liberty. The summary of these 3 Why did they allow? They allow because in the first at the A.K. Gopalanand case, they said there is no need of implanting the due process of the law. My procedure established by the law is the best. 1950. 1950. Then in the Rustam Kopar, that means 20 years have been got past. That means again you are getting one example of reversal. Now they are saying there is the need. Now how to deal with that stuff? They couldn't. Not couldn't. They explicitly they didn't mean. Then Menka Gandhi case, immediately you see that the 78 they are coming out. Explicitly is giving you the direction where you can exercise the due process of the law. Then with the Kuttuswamy case, they are reaffirming their conviction. So these two things is giving you the due process of the law. I hope you have not forgotten the what is due process of the law. One example I have provided to you already. As for example, regarding the abortion. So the due process of the law. But Supreme Court, whatever the question UPSC is going to ask, I am not going to make you the lawyer here, the High Court or the Supreme Court lawyer here. So whatever the UPSC can ask, I am trying to do that thing. Where to exercise the due process of the law? Supreme Court also has identified that also. That only one place is there. Against the arbitrary law by the state, where it is related to your personal life and liberty. That means due process of the law. I have already completed this thing. Tomorrow I would not proceed. So I hope you are going to give me one satisfactory answer at the end of the class. Article 14. Whether it will be possible for me to do some changes out of that through the power of mine, due process of the law. What would be the answer? I want to do something with Article 14. Please raise your hand who are saying yes. Please raise your hand. Rest of the people do not know the answer. Then who are saying no? Why? Why those who are saying no? Why they are saying no?
Because it clearly states that nobody is above law.
Answer is right, but unfortunately the reason is wrong. Due process of the law only to be exercised. What? Say. If only this is getting hampered. Not under any circumstances, other circumstances. Always keep this thing in the mind. So they have limiticized where to apply this. Right now, this is called the concept and the understanding. Chalo, thank you. Amra tale jai.